So, have you been wondering what Animedoro is? Well, you landed on the right video. I'll solve all your questions and answer to them in this video. Hi, I'm Lorelai from Lorestudycorner, where I post tips for studying, productivity, studying motivation, and student life. Hit the subscribe button down below and don't forget to press the bell to never lose a video of mine ever. And let's get started. So, who actually invented this study method? It was just Chen in January 2021, and he posted on his channel how I studied 600 hours and watched 300 hours of anime in 4 months. So everybody was like, how is it possible and how do you do this? Well, in this video he explained how he did this with the Animedoro method. But you want to know how does Animedoro work, right? It has the same structure as the Pomodoro method. You've got a work period and a break. But the thing is that the proportions are different. The studying period follows your workflow. For example, if you do an assignment and you finish it in 45 minutes, you can take a break. You won't stop at 25 minutes, take a break, and then start again, because you will need more time to focus. You will lose, I think that you need 7 minutes to focus. So if you subtract 7 from 25, you actually need, for a 45-minute assignment, you actually need almost 3 study sessions. Instead, with the Animedoro method, you will need 1, and the best thing is the break. So, can you guess what the break is? Yay! It's watching an anime episode. It doesn't need to be absolutely anime. It can be whatever you want, but it needs to be between 19 and 21 minutes, not like the Walking Dead or, I don't know, Casa de Papel episodes, which are 60 minutes long, because then you will never finish. Why is it so successful? Why do you study better? If you try it, you will see that you will be more concentrated when you're studying. You follow your workflow. You have an amazing reward at the end. Then what else you've got is that you have more time to focus. Let's see, we've got, in 1 hour, we've got two Pomodoro sessions, and we've got 25 minus 7, 18 per 36 minutes with 10 minutes break. So you actually work half of 1 hour, 36 minutes. And then let's say we take 45 to 50 minutes, let's say 50, which is the average between the two of them. 50 minus 7, it's 43 minutes. So almost 10 minutes more of more productive work, and that it follows yourself. And you've also got 10-20 minutes of break. Like, it's not exactly an hour, but you can do whatever you want in this 20 minutes. You can make a tea, you don't have to absolutely watch an anime episode or anything. The cons, they can be a bit tricky. You don't have to put another video. It is the most difficult thing to do, because they make these episodes so that you watch another one and another one and another one. What you have to do is please try to maintain yourself, because if you watch another video, you will never finish. Another cons is that you can't focus so easily, but you'll have to get used to it. Another cons is that you have to focus for longer periods of time, and this can be really frustrating because it's difficult. And a tip: don't watch longer episodes. Let's say I will stop at 20 minutes because you won't stop at 20 minutes. Trust me, you can't stop in half of a episode, especially if they're like suspense ones. For a week, and then decide which is best for you. What I like is that I follow my workflow and I follow what my body tells me to do. My overall opinion is that I like it. I actually like it because I follow my own workflow. This is what I wanted and I couldn't find anywhere. And then I've got an amazing reward. So this was it, guys, for today's video. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you, or maybe you'll see me in my next video. Bye!